First of all, you need to download this APK file. I am using Bliss OS here for this test, but you can try any OS. Just make sure the operating system is rooted. So first of all, you need to install this APK file, something like this. If it asks for any permissions, just allow them. After it's installed, open it once. As you can see right now, it is not activated, and I will activate it in front of your eyes. Now you simply need to open kernel SU, then come to this tab, and from here, search for Panda mouse. After that, open it, select this option, and force stop the app once, then launch it again. Then within just a few seconds, the app will be activated.
So, as you can see, the app is now activated. And now, I'll also show you running a game. As you can see, the key mapping is working perfectly. Plus, since this is the updated version of Panda Mouse, you will find quite a lot of new options in it. But if you need an installation tutorial for this operating system, you can click on the video on the left, and I'll see you there. Bye!